Hi guys, my name is Amanda Riniantirta Fiartonga and I'm from class D, Civic Education. And I wanted to tell you about democracy as a fixed price in Indonesia, upholding Pancasila, lowering the nation ego. Good morning, brother and sister. Best wishes for all of us. Greetings of Virtu. What I respect the rector of Medan University, what I respect the dean of Medan University, and what I respect all lecturer at Medan University. Happy attendance today on October 1. All Indonesian citizens from Sabang to Merauke commemorate a very historic day for the independence of our country. Brother and sister, today, a citizen who highly uphold the foundation of the Indonesian state are commemorating the Pancasila Miracle Day. Nationally, we as citizens of Indonesia must be grateful because to this day, Pancasila remains a shield for the upholding of justice for all Indonesian people. Distinguished guests, currently the values in Pancasila in people live are starting to fade due to the unconsciousness of some parties to uphold justice, honesty, and equal right for all Indonesian people, the value that live and work in our life. In accordance with the speech that was delivered by the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Joko Widodo, and commemorating Pancasila Power in 2020, he said that the living values of Pancasila must continue to flare up in the spirit people of Indonesia. Happy audience, we know very well that Pancasila is a philosophy for our country, our nation, ideology, and Pancasila is evidence from the past about the independence of the Indonesia state. In a pandemic like this time, the values of Pancasila should be upheld as is evidence today. The souls who are willing to sacrifice, namely the medics, to deal with people affected by the current COVID-19 virus. National unity in dealing with bad condition in the country is a reflection of society that uphold the value of Pancasila, which lies in the third principle of Pancasila. Distinguished guests, Pancasila does not belong to a group of people, not does it belong to a certain government regime. Pancasila does not belong to any individual, but Pancasila belong to all Indonesian citizens because Pancasila will always be a pillar of support for the beautiful masterpiece created by God, namely Indonesia. So many riots have been going through so far. It is hoped that Pancasila will always be upheld for the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia under the power of Allah Almighty and all great Indonesia citizens from Sabang to Merauke. Fellow countrymen and homeland, we are responsible for the establishment of Indonesia of Pancasila in our country for the future generation, so the unity state of the Republic of Indonesia, which as stood firmly today, is not destroyed just because of selfishness in the whole society. And today I reiterate the need for nation movement for mental revolution. This movement will fertilize the values of fighting spirit, optimism, hard work, politeness, manners, and strength the character of the nation, as well strengthens the order of nation and state life based of Pancasila, and this moment is a form of movement to continue to uphold Pancasila for life, nation, and state. Brother and sister, let us clinch our left fleets as high as possible by forcing Indonesia independence, which is forfeit by Pancara with such merdeka, independent free. My nation always uphold my Pancasila. For this reason, with determination and humility, and I represent the entire ranks of the audience today to invite all attendants to uphold Pancasila and not even have a feeling of selfness among fellow countrymen in great enthusiasm for the life of the nation today and the future independent. That is my speech today. I would like to thank all the attendants in this virtus. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.